did you learn in math?
We learn how to order fractions.
How to order fractions. How to order fractions. Okay, so we're going to continue in the line. So we're still going to do with fractions. So today I'm going to do a quick review on how to order fractions. I mean, do you still know how to order fractions? Raise your hand if you can order fractions. Raise your hand if you can order fractions. Zoe, you cannot.
I can.
I said, raise your hand if you can. Okay, very good. So I'll just do a quick there's a trick I would like to show you about ordering fractions. I don't know if you would like the trick. Do you like the trick about ordering fractions? Would you like the trick?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I'll show you a trick about ordering fraction. Then we'll do a fraction of an amount. Then we'll likely do addition and subtraction of fractions with unlike denominators. Does that make sense? Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Are you guys ready? Very good.
Yes.
So the party started already. So first, a trick, guys. I would show you this trick if you promise never to show anyone. You promise never to show anyone. Okay, so trick on ordering fractions. Okay, trick on ordering fractions. Okay, so today's date is 11/11, all right? For today's date. So the date is 11/11, all right? So we want to learn about trick on ordering fractions. Now, guys, a quick thing, okay? Arrange 3/8, 5/6, 1/3, and 3/5. From smallest to biggest. Yes, Tahara, what's it?
Is the first fraction 5/8? The front read.
3/8. 3/8. Now, another way you can be asked to arrange from smallest to biggest is ascending order. Ascending order.
Sorry, Mr.
Right.
Mike.
Yes,
sorry,
sir.
Mr. Michael. For a few minutes. Which is that topic? You raise up your hand. Were you
Are we the Smith? Are we the Smith?
Yeah.
We're the Smith tonight, my grade. Is this? Does this involve does this involve ordering fractions?
It doesn't involve ordering fractions, or what did you say?
I said, does it involve ordering fractions?
What we are doing next? Are you asking a question or you're making a statement?
I'm asking the question.
So what's the question?
Does this involve ordering
Yeah, we're not doing ordinary fractions anymore. All right. Now remember where we started from. All right. We just put greater than or less than between pairs of fractions. Tahara, do you want to drop that book? It's not time to read a book. All right. So we said we should find the common denominators first. All right. In finding the common denominators, we made a line and times the denominators. All right. In timesing the denominators, then we crossed, multiplied the numerator and the opposite denominator. So this is 3 times 3, and we got this 9. And we did 8 times 2, and we got 16. And we're able to place that since 9 is less than 16 with the common fraction, common denominator, then 3 over 8 will be less than 2 over 3. Then I gave you guys this class working, which you all smashed. And then we looked at addition and subtraction of unlike terms. All right, we looked at addition and subtraction of unlike terms. I said the concept we used in this, in putting greater than or less than, is the same concept we're going to be employing for addition and subtraction. All right, so we rule a line and multiply the denominators to obtain the common denominator, and then cross this. 3 times 7 gave 21, and then 2 times 4 gave 8. So we added it together and got 29 over 8, in which when turned to mixed fraction, how many times can 28 divide 29? It is once. Then the remainder is 1 over 28. We did the same for subtraction, and we got 9 over 44. Then for this particular question, we've got mixed fraction. But mixed fraction works a little bit different from the other type of fraction, because we are going to need to first change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. And we change to improper fraction, in which some one of you cannot remember anymore. Then I said, if you want to change to improper fraction, say you have 1 owes 2 over 3. To improper fraction, you make an arc here. 3 times 1, all right? And what is 3 times 1? That is 3. So you write the 3 on top of the 1, then you add 2 to it. So this gives 5 over 3. You do the same for 1 owes 1 over 5, you get 6 over 5. Then you do what we did earlier, and we got 2 O number, 13 over 15. So I'm going to give you guys 5 work to try out before we go to the next thing. Did I give you 5 work? Okay, yeah, I'll give you 4. Number 1. Yes, Zoe. Do that quickly. Yes, I know, right? Talk to me, Naraya.
Do we have to leave it on, or can we like put a new section? Right.
Huh?
Can we write on a new section?
Or... I want you to try this.
Does the first one say 3/4?
Yeah, 3/4.
Joseph, can you stop that?
Yeah.
So you do less, just do less than so always that's the version I think is the way. So was big which new language that's quite switch is the new language. So because we got back
So if this was something interesting.
so this is which time
Zoe, can you see it? Zoe, are you done?
No, Mr. Michael, I just came back.
Okay.
There's one thing that's needs to yeah. Something like
All right, 2 more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes, Joseph.
I finished.
Okay, good. Yes, Cameron. What did you say, Cameron?
I finished as well.
Okay. Abiola, which of the questions is Tahara having issues with?
Question 3.
Question 3, changing to improper fraction, right?
Oh yes, yeah. She was in the toilet when they were
Oh,
doing.
okay.
Huh? We're still continuing.
Okay, have you explained to her now?
Yeah. I mean, yeah. So.
Joseph, are you done?
Yeah.
All right, one more minute. Yes, Zoe.
I just came back from the toilet like 2 minutes ago.
You know you are a superstar now. So, yes, you can do this. Okay, I'll give 2 more minutes.
You. So I'm only the number 2.
Yes, 1 minute for each question. Amy, are you done?
No.
Okay, Eden Grace, talk to me.
I want to see if I got the third one correct.
You wanted to know what?
If I got the third one correct.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, of course, most fantastic. This time it's a little awesome. Yeah. No. Okay, so this is on completely related to this. This which branch. That's on the data that they're actually see. One this which one do now is identity. So stay back with yeah. Then it's where I'm coming from.
All right, so that'll be all for the classwork. So who's gonna tell us?
I'm not done. I'm done.
I'm done.
Come on. 1 more minute. We have another thing to learn.
On number 3 because I'm going to done it. So she didn't have it.
That's fine.
Jojo will work out number 1 for us. Cameron will work out number 2 for us. Zoe will work out number 3 for us. And who's going to work out number 4 for us? Who's going to work out number 4 for us? Who is yet to work out a question for me? Yes, Isabella will work out number 4 for us.
I'm supposed to start number 3.
Okay.
I'm stuck on number
Yes, Cameron, what's it?
When I was doing question number 2, I was a bit confused.
What?
When I was doing question number 2, I was a bit confused.
Yes, you are going to answer it for us. You could be confused when you were doing it alone, but now you will do it for us and you will learn it. Hmm?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. The question is, from there,
So, Jojo, are you ready for us?
Yes.
So, please, Jojo, tell us what to do for number 1. Everybody, pay attention now.
So what you need to do is you need to draw a line.
We draw a line. So,
And then-
underneath the line, what happens?
For your denominator, you have 5 times 5.
No, it's not.
4 times 5.
4 times 5. Okay.
So then you do 4 times 4.
No, which one do we do first?
3 times 5.
3 times 5 first, and that is 15, right? Then 4 times 4 is 16. So what sign will be there? Greater than or less than?
Greater than. Greater than.
15 and 16. What is it? What's the relationship? Less than. So that means 3 over 4 is less than 4 over 5.
If it's the same, it would be like below the it will be so this is not a system of the time thing.
Are you ready? Are you set? Let's move on. Let's move on, guys. Let's move on. Who's working number 2 for us, please? Cameron, number 2. Number 2 is 5 over 8. Everyone focus. Focus on the screen.
Listen up.
Everyone focus on the screen, please. So, Cameron, what do we do? First,
Do you draw a line?
we draw a line. Good. So what goes underneath the line?
Your denominators,
Which would be what?
8 and 7.
You do 8 times 7, right? So what do we do next?
Do you put your your numerator times your denominator?
So that's 5 times 7. What is 5 times 7?
35.
35. What sign goes in between?
A comma.
Plus. This is addition now. We're not looking for greater than or less than. It's a plus, the addition. So what comes next?
8 times 2.
8 times 2, which is what?
16.
16. So what is 35 plus 16? What is 35 plus 16? What is 35 plus 16?
Is it 51?
51 over what? 8 times 7.
51
56.
over 56.
Good, that's correct. Who's on number 3? Who did I assign to do number 3 for us? Oh, Zoe. 103 over 4. Take away 2 over 3. So what do we do first, Zoe?
The answer's 1 over 12.
What do we do first? What do we do
Oh.
first?
So first you do so you convert one half 3 over 4, and that will give you 7 over 4.
So
Then
that
you do
is 7 over 4. Subtract.
2 minus 2 over 3, and
Good.
that will be, so you do 7 times 3, which is 21, and then 2 times 4, which is 8,
So what sign will be in between?
minus.
What about the denominator?
So the denominator is 12. So if you minus 21 and 8, that will give you 13.
13 over 12.
Not much like that. So you have to do 1 whole 1 over 12.
Over 12. Amazing. Who's on question 4? Who's working out question 4 for us? Who did I assign question 4 to?
You assigned it to
Bella.
Isabella.
Oh, okay. Now, question 4 says 3 over 5 is greater than 4 over 7. True or false? Isabella?
True.
True. Okay, so how do you know it's true?
Because I drew a line and then
To draw a line. Uh-huh.
and then I did 5 times 7 underneath,
Good.
and then on top it's 3 times 7, which is 21,
1. Uh-huh.
and then 4 times 5, which is 20.
20. Okay, so that means 21 is more than 20, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So 3 over 5 is greater than 4 over 7 is true. Well done. Well done, everyone. Give yourselves a round of applause. Give yourselves a round of applause. Give yourselves a round of applause. So quickly, let's do percentage of an amount. Percentage of an amount. Or before we do percentage of an amount, let's just do fraction of an amount. Fraction of an amount.
Okay, let's go. Thank you. Harris? Go talk.
Yes.
Let's touch that. I don't think right now. Right now, it's just
Fraction of an amount. Amy, are you there?
Yes, Uncle.
Why is your video turned off?
I just had to move into the car.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay. But are you following?
Yes.
Okay, so fraction of an amount. All right. So, guys, let's see something. Let's do small examples. One. What is half of 50 pounds. Yes, what is half of 50 pounds? Who can tell us what half of 50 pounds is? Answer. Half of 50 pounds. Yes, Tahara.
25 pounds.
25 pounds. So guys, give Tahara a round of applause. You know the rule of not giving somebody a round of applause. Give Tahara a round of applause. Zoe, I'll give you 3, 2. God just saved you because I was ready to enter into your nose.
What?
Yeah.
You can't do that.
Oh.
My nose stays in my nose, and that's where it's gonna be forever.
Okay. I'm going. Don't worry. Don't worry. By the time you just feel a kind of wasp around you, and then it enters your nose. Come on, Mr. Michael, come on.
I'll immediately.
When we get to our second break,
Huh?
I'll spray pepper spray in my nose so
You put pepper spray in your nose.
Yes.
Hey.
And come out from your mouth.
Wait,
Come out from
what?
your mouth. Once I come out from your mouth and run away, you start feeling the pain of the pepper spray. So, guys, let's do this.
Mr. Michael,
Yes.
should we write what's on the board currently?
Yeah, you wait up. What is 3/4 of an hour? What is 3/4 of an hour? Yes, Zoe.
45 minutes.
45 minutes. 45 minutes. Answer is 45 minutes. Yes, Naraya, you want to tell me something?
I forgot. I have my hand up.
Oh, you forgot you had your hand up. Okay. Now, what is 2/5 of $100?
Wait, what?
What is 2/5 of $100? $100. Yes, Joseph.
I think it is 2/5.
2/5 of $100.
£90. $90.
No. Yes, Kingdom Grace.
$40?
Yeah.
$40. Correct. $40. Guys, we forgot to clap for Zoe. Okay, so
Oh yeah.
give Zoe a round of applause first. Zoe, let's give Zoe a round of applause first for the answer she gave. And then let's give Kingdom Grace a round of applause.
Hey.
Yes. Zoe, I will make sure I enter your nose. Now, say, what is 5/9 of 63 pounds? What is this? 5/9 of 63 pounds. Who can answer this correctly? Who wants to answer this? Okay, Isabella,
50.
50.
No.
Are you sure? All right, guys. My internet cut out a little bit. So, yes, who's telling us the answer to this? 5/9 of 63 pounds. Yes. Okay, Tahara. Tahara, no, I know you're pointing at someone else. Tahara, tell us 5/9 of.
Try it.
Okay, let Isabella tell us.
5.
No.
Huh?
Guys.
What's going on out there? Yes, Isabella, talk to us.
45. 4, 5. 4 10 and 5.
pounds.
1.
45
He's got it.
pounds. 45 pounds. Who knows how she got 45 pounds? Who knows how she got 45 pounds? If you know the answer is 45 pounds, raise your hand. Hello, guys.
He said if you think awesome.
Yeah.
If you know how she got 45 pounds, raise your hand.
Yes, I think how she was it. I don't know.
Okay, Eden Grace, do you want to tell us how she got 45 pounds?
Yeah, she copied this girl. You just told me you copied.
She did what?
She copied this girl. Yeah, she copied. You didn't say anything. She did. No, she didn't.
But the answer is not 45 pounds. The answer is not 45 pounds.
And it's 35.
Yeah. The answer is not 45 pounds.
Guys,
Yes. Who knows the answer? Okay, Mariah, tell us the answer. 35 pounds. Let's see who is correct. Hey, guys, I'm going to have you guys stand in the class. Isabella, sit right and face front. Sit properly. Sit like Tahara is sitting. Good. Now, what do we do? What should we have done? We'll do, okay, what is 63 divided by 9? On the 9 times table, how many times do we have 63? On the 9 times table, how many times do we have 63? Yes, Jojo.
7 times.
7 times. So we've got 5 times 7 now is 35 pounds. So the answer is 35 pounds.
Mr. Michael, I said 35.
You said that, I know you said 35, but I didn't call you. Okay, now look at this question, guys. Which would you rather have?
Oh, I get
5/8 of 120 pounds or 9/10 of 120 pounds. Which would you rather have? 5/8 of 120 pounds. Okay, guys, write what is on this on the screen. Write it down. Write it down. Copy it down.
This is so easy.
What are the things that are on the screen? Which one?
Huh?
Copy both screen.
Right. And then you do the question.
Whenever I don't want to like accidentally consent, just smudge it. Because look, it's there. I made it myself. Yes, Jojo.
Finish writing.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Cameron.
Am I finished writing?
Okay.
Can't see the question before that anymore.
You have to hurry up.
Oh, wait. Wait, do we have to pluck it out?
Which one? Your last person? Yeah.
No, I'm going to work it out for you. I'm going to work it out for you.
Okay.
So I believe that, guys, listen up. I believe that somebody will take the bigger money, right? If somebody, which would you rather have? 5/8 of 120 pounds or 9/10 of 120 pounds? I think somebody will want to go for the bigger money. Let's see how to get the bigger money. Everyone, pay attention. Let's work it out together. Let's just work it. I'm going to work it out for you guys. I'm going to work it out for you. Huh?
No, not for this one.
Oh, I got the answer.
All right. Yes, sit down. Sit down. Sit down, Isabella. What do you need?
Oh, Miss Mark, I told her to stand up.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Very good. Thank you. Yes, Zoe, what's it?
Yeah, finish writing. I was just on number 2.
No, I'm going to work it out.
But I
So
really
let's-
need to write down number 2. But I really
When-
need to write down number 2.
When you watch
Mr.
the
Mike.
video of the lesson, you write it down. When you watch the video of the lesson, you write it down. All right? So 5/8 of 120 pounds. So this is what we do. Let's divide 120 pounds by 8. 120 pounds, let's divide by 8. All right? How many times can 8 go in 12? How many times can 8 go in 12? Yes, Eden Grace?
1.
1. What's the remainder? The remainder is 4. So 1840, that is 5. So that is 15 pounds, right? So 5 times 15 pounds. 5 times 15 pounds. What is 5 times 15? Yes, yes, yes. Who's working 5 times 15? Joseph, what is 5 times 15?
5 times 15, 35.
5 times 15? No! Eden Grace, what is 5 times 15? Huh?
Wait, no.
75 pounds. Is it 75?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Yes, 75.
Yeah, 75.
All right. So, okay, so what about 9/10 of 120 pounds? So let's see, 120 divided by 10. That would be 12, right? So what is 9 times 12 pounds? 9 times 12 pounds. Yes, 9 times 12 pounds. Jojo?
108 pounds.
108 pounds. So which would you rather have? 9/10 of 120 pounds or 5/8 of 120 pounds?
9/10.
Okay, so I would have 9/10 of 120 pounds. So when you are taking the fraction of a number, you first divide the whole number by the denominator, then you times it by the numerator. All right, guys. So put this down, and this will be the end of today's session. Yes, Isabella, talk to me.
I don't get it.
Huh?
I didn't get the last question.
The last question. The question is asking you, which would you prefer? This is money. I believe you prefer the bigger money, isn't it?
No.
You prefer the smaller money?
Yes.
Okay, good for you.
Yeah.
So you settle for 75 pounds, while Zoe will take 108 pounds. It's going to be a loud Christmas, right? So you prefer 75 pounds to 108 pounds?
I mean, it's still money.
Huh?
Prefer.
75 pounds. Yes, because if I had more money, then I would have learned it all in one day. But if I had 75 pounds, I know I have to be more careful with that.
Well, that's simple.
Oh. So who says when you have 108 pounds, you can't be careful?
Yeah.
If you cannot be careful with 108 pounds, you will not be careful with 75 pounds. So that's just the logic. So put it down. Yes, Zoe, talk to me.
If I had 108 pounds, if I had 120 pounds, I would buy a car.
You buy a car.
I'll actually buy my dad a new Lamborghini.
That would be like 5,000 quadrillion pounds.
Yeah, you're looking at guys.
I'll get myself
Big small
You can't buy a car for. You can't buy a car with 108 pounds. Zoe.
Way more than that. And especially a
Right.
Lamborghini.
So guys,
No, a toy one.
Very
what it
cool.
is, then you start packing your bags, and that's the end of today's
Okay. The
session.
moment you start packing your bags, yeah? The moment you start packing your bags.
Can I leave?
No, you go back to the main room.